Ho, 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 mini enthusiasts. I hope you're having a great day. It's Christmas Eve, cheers. I'm on the mulled wine. I hope you guys and girls get everything you've wished for this Christmas. I've seen Santa's list and he needs some help, so I'm loading up Vinny. All these packages from Mini Spares and Mini Sport, they're coming round to you soon if you've been good. So I just wanted to come on behalf of myself, on behalf of Mark, just to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you get everything you really want, and I look forward to producing more videos in the new year. We're going to bash on with Project Kit. There's stuff to do on PL, there's projects to do on Vinny. It's been a fantastic year this year, and like I say, guys and girls, just have a great evening, Christmas Eve. Have whatever your favourite drink is, enjoy Christmas Day, and I look forward to catching up with you after Christmas and on into the new year. So once again, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas.